It has finally arrived. This is the advent calendar from Goldmine CoCo. Let's open this up. All right, so when you first open, this is what it looks like. I know Felicia had jumped on live last week and was showing them packing it up, and then she actually went through everything, considering that it was it was over at this point. I jumped off because I'm like, listen, I don't waited this long. I might as well just see what it looked like in person myself. So this is what it looks like. And she said, they weren't going to put it in the fancy boxes anymore and label it because, again, it had already passed the time. So this is what it looks like. Here we have the Goldmine CoCo, card that they now, include in all of their boxes. So we have that. Now I'm going to move this over and then just open up everything little by little. All right, so obviously this was very much on the top. So let's go ahead and open this up. It is very soft. I know that. Okay. That's so true. Very true. So my assumption is that this is a nice little blanket. And as you see, it's embossed with the GNCC logo. That's cute. Oh yeah, this is a blanket. This is a blanket. So it has this nice softness on the inside here. As you see, it's all white. And then this is what the outside looks like. Yeah, this sucker. Ooh, she nice. She real nice. It's like a, I don't know what this is exactly called. I'll get the exact name and I'll put it on the screen, but this is nice. So this is the first item in the advent calendar. Okay, the next thing I pulled out the box, we got some socks. So we got some GNCC socks. Well, I say GNCC, but it could be just GNC. Very cute, very on trend with the color theme. I do like that. They are like traditional socks. I don't know. I normally wear ankle socks, so I don't even know what these ones are called. Tube socks, maybe. Came in this nice little box with the gold. Totally reusable. So everything that came in one of these little boxes, I will be repurposing. So that's the next thing we got out of the advent calendar. Next up, we got some jewelry. I'm assuming. Oh, we got pins. Okay. So these are the two pins. Both of them are in gold. So this first one here, especially this way. So you got the GNCC on there. Bring it a little closer. It's like the whites and blacks. Very nice. And then this one, same, the GNCC there. And this one is with the whites and reds. And this is what it looks like, just like their other pins. It feels just like the other pins. So that's super cute. So this here is day 2. Well, the third item that I pulled out of the box. Okay. Next up, we got some stickers. And these are specifically Peyton stickers. So we got Peyton. This is on her white paper. Got all the little activities. She got the champagne, the buckets, the balloons, the gifts. Peyton is ready for the holiday season. So that's the next item out of the advent calendar. Here's the next item. Okay. So we got some sticky notes. It says, work for it more than you dream about it. Boom. It's on that good Bic, so we know it's good quality there. You can see how thick it is. And I like it's nice and plain, so you have a lot of room to write on and nothing will really obscure your notes. So that's the next item I pulled out of the advent calendar. All right, so this was just sitting at the bottom of the box. Well, not the bottom, but it was just sitting there. So we got some keychains here. So you got the Coco, pillow, Netflix, says Let It Snow, fashion bag, and some lipstick. So this is super cute. These are all, as you see, on this chain together. So it's like this big one, this long one, which is connected here. And then they added all the different charms on there. So that's super cute. So that's the next item out of the advent calendar. Next up, we got earrings. I did see she actually snuck this on her own, like, live when she was at home. So you see the little earring backs. So last year we got a Gym Gang necklace, and then this year we got Gym Gang earrings. So these are super cute. You can wear them together. Boom, boom. So that's the next item out of the advent calendar. Okay, next up, we got like a little clip. All right, so it's like a little planner clip here. You can see it's like a stack of books, planner girl, boss girl hats, and my journal. It's on gold hardware. That's super cute. Be perfect to add right into my my A5 that I need to be setting up and stop playing. So that's the next thing out of the advent calendar. All right, next up we got this cute little gold bag. So let's see what this is. All right, we got a little notepad here. It says invest in yourself. You got the girls. So if you're feeling fancy, go ahead and do some coloring. It's on a dot grid. That's super cute. That's how much you got. Do a quick flip. They're all the same, of course. That's super cute. So that's the next thing out of the advent calendar. All right, next up, we got this paper envelope here. Oh, we got a sticker book. I should have known we was going to get a sticker book. Honey. Yes. All right. Listen. Do y'all know what this means? Say it with me. Joia, use your stash. And I love it because it's the holiday one. So it's like that winter wonderland, it looks like. Which I didn't really get much of. And I kind of irked that I didn't. So, all right. Let's flip through this sucker here. Here, let me bring it down like we normally do. Zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see it. Okay. Boom, boom. There we go. All right, I love the muted colors. It says festive bucket list. This is perfect. So this would have been really good too if you was doing like some holiday decorating and like needed to like set up your spreads and stuff. So you got some boxes, girls. Cute. We got our deco, very cute. So as you see, some of these were in that little charm gift that I just showed. We have our clear scripts here. Baby, it's cold outside. Merry and bright. Vacation. Let me turn it to the side just so you can see it clearly. Super cute. We got some more clear stickers, and these are like all deco pieces. I turn it to the side so you guys can see it. Got pumpkins, the cups, the mug rather, reindeer, some like leaves, mistletoe, holly berry, trees, and snowflakes. Then here we have a bunch of the words, like little bucket list things to do, and these are all on clear paper. So get a Christmas tree, wrap presents, grocery shopping, plan a table setting, eat candy canes, mail gifts, cocoa break, declutter, build a snowman, act of kindness, drink eggnog, new pajamas, all the good things. Okay, here we got some headers, got some more like boxes with important inside of it, a little strip of washi down there. Little long stickers again, circle stickers, or like longer, thinner headers. Then you got January to December, 3 times, 3 different colorways. That is nice. So if you wanted to use this to like pre-plan or something, that'd be really good. That'd be really good. Here's some more of those good circle stickers. So you got some with the words, some a little smaller with just the girls. More of those script works. So you got 2 weeks before, urgent appointments, family to invite. Okay, like I was saying, make a gingerbread house, donate to those in need, build a snowman, make Christmas playlist, all the good things. All the good things. Then you got your little like sticky note boxes. Got this like little Monday through Sunday trackers on the side, some little smaller squares and circle stickers, some more full boxes. You got your girls, super cute. Some like little, they look like the size of a quarter box, but maybe midi box in size, maybe, not sure. We got some circle dots, some of these type of boxes. You got Monday to Sunday here, Monday to Sunday here as well, 2 different shapes. Some more boxes, some checklists. You got someone with the girl. She look hella like she's having a good old time, okay? So I'm trying to be, okay? Got some more of those long stickers here. Some ones with the task for today. Got more deco. This is all like the green and nudes. Super cute. The boots are cute. This little reef thing is super cute. I love that. Super cute. Super cute. We got some hydrate trackers, some checklists, some more boxes. Some more like long. These are like long boxes, but they look like washi. And then you got the full box of those. And then you got these like little, they like little thing boxes. We got our washi strips. You got happy holiday, y'all. Grateful, holiday season, blessed, thankful, and focused. Invest in yourself in a holiday mood, making myself proud. 'Tis the season to be happy and grateful. Holiday season loading. These little torn washi, what she's been doing. It says happy holidays, save the date, holiday season, and grateful for. Then you got some of these like little notch boxes. Those are super cute. And here we got some long strips here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 5 here, and then these are all like quarter size. That's cute. Different. Here we got some little square boxes. You got like a long strip of washi here. Super cute. Okay, getting heavy. I understand. We got these other little square boxes with some like deco in them. Some of the girls, some words. Here you got some circle stickers. I'm loving that she gave us these. This girl is just having too much fun. You got some flags. You got these longer strips of washi again. Circle stickers. You got these like type of boxes again. I need to see how people have been using these. I'm very interested. Then you got some other trackers. You got some more boxes. You got your long stickers here. You got some more headers. Another longer strip of washi. Then you had some more boxes and circles here, some scripts, some dowels. Super cute. Some more of those dots, some more headers. You got your circle stickers. You got these like little checklist-like boxes. Super cute. I think this is the last page here. And you got these type of boxes. It's like notorious to use these in your monthly spread. And that is it. So that is the next item that we got. 30 sheets, as you see, and 851 stickers. Perfection. She thick too. Okay, next up is this box. So we got a mug. We got G and CC on it. Super cute. Nice little tall mug. So this is probably like a 10 ounce, maybe 12 ounce mug. Super cute. Playing your Lux Life. Got Goldmine CoCo on there. Super cute. All right, last 2 items. So this one here, and if I remember correctly, I think she does like 12 days of Christmas. All right, looks like we got some papers. We got papers. All right, so we got some papers here. So this one, you got Merry Christmas and Peace. So definitely past the season, but this would be really good come next year, future years, or even for like if you're doing the December daily. You got the poinsettia. Oh, sorry. See, same on both sides. Same here. So these are both the 2 designs of the pins that I showed you earlier. So here's the one with the lighter color flowers. And here's that same design that was on the sticky notes. Then you just have these like dots. Ooh. And then last but not least, you got a acetate, and it has just black dots on it. So that's super cute. So that's the next item in the box. And then the last thing in the box is in this paper envelope here. We got a wall calendar. Hey. Oh, all the people that was talking about wanting the wall calendar in the paint sale box. Guess what? It was in the advent calendar, y'all. A lot of people was like, dang, I wish I had another calendar. So clearly this is where they put the calendar. Let's open that boy up here. Super cute. I love the sleekness. Love the design. Very cute. Very cute. Got 2020 on it. 2022. Plan Your Lux Life monthly calendar. Okay. So this is how it looks at the top. So you just got one. You have a quote. Then you have all of your days here. And from what it looks like, it's not marked with any holidays. So completely open and free. So that's number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. And then the back is just all white. So super cute. So that is the last item that was in the advent calendar box. All right, so here is the full layout of everything that came in that advent calendar box. So my thoughts. For the most part, I'm okay with the things that we got. I think the part that is the most disappointing, and hopefully when I go and watch the live back and see what she was talking about, I get a little bit more insight. Oh, wait. Almost forgot the mug. Almost forgot the mug here. All right, mug. Get in where you fit in, dog. Get in where you fit in. Okay. I'm just trying to, like, I really wonder, and part of me thinks it's probably like this that was really the thing that delayed it the most. But one thing I am happy about is that everything is not completely only Christmas themed. Like last year, a lot of it was Christmas themed, and we got it, I think, very close or after the actual the holiday season. So it kind of was like a bust in a sense. So that's the only thing. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm not 100% sure if I will be purchasing the next advent calendar. I will be honest. But overall, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got the advent calendar as well. Let me know your thoughts on it. And let's chat down in the comment box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I will link here all of my other Goldmine and CoCo videos for you guys to take and check out. If you are shopping with Goldmine and CoCo for the first time, I will leave a link down there to save you some money. And then on the screen here, I'll leave my code if you want to save a couple of dollars on your next purchase. And until next time, bye.